All right, welcome traders. Patrick with Trading123.net. Here it is, Wednesday, July 23rd, 2025. And we're still in this summertime trading here. So today we only did 4 trades with the NQ and gold. And we made over $1,800. And then this ES trade here, we didn't really count it into our daily total. Basically, missed the trend change here on the ES. So, with our cloud indicator, I'm going to show you how powerful, this was a manual trade and I hit the buy button. And so when the price crossed over the top of the cloud line, I just hit the buy button, 2 contracts, hit its first profit target, and then it kind of wicked there, so didn't want to give any back as we're in this summertime light volume here. And we picked up $154. So if you haven't checked out the cloud indicator, take a look at that. It's very powerful. And here's our trades of the day here. With the volume being light today, we only traded two contracts and had a $400 goal. I was just gonna, make some quick trades here after 10, and then the market got a little choppy here. And so, eventually these big breakout trades here, and here. And as you see, every time the price goes over the cloud line, up we go. 385 profit on that one. So, the way I adjusted my profit goal, you have to look at the market conditions and say, should I be trading 3 contracts, 1 contract? Should I go for 200 or 400 or 640? That's all comes with knowledge of the market and how tight the ranges are. So if the NASDAQ was going up and down 50 points, 60 points, you could go for a larger goal. And I set out the first half hour as it was just, reckless up and down moves. So no sense trading that. Just because the market's open, as I always say, doesn't mean you got to jump in and start trading. You got all day to trade. And just like when you go to Vegas, you got all day and night to gamble. So let's look at our next trade. And this one, NQ, perfect setup here going into the 10:30 time frame. As you see, when the price goes below the cloud indicator, down we go. And then this one started it just right after 10:30, $400 goal, 2 contracts. Price fell through. It was in a downtrend as it went into a double top up here. You got to look at the chart and try to read the market. And that's basically what I saw, double top, and was a half second or couple 20 seconds or so from missing this move by starting it right here. So I started it here, it caught the downtrend rather quickly, and profit targets hit, $400 profit. Doesn't get any simpler than that. If you can't see the double top, maybe you shouldn't be trading. Then after that trade, the market was kind of going sideways, so pretty much just took a break until almost noon here. And market broke out here. I don't know if there was some news, but this is a continuation of the uptrend. And we got some profits and then a couple other trades. And I raised the goal now, in the power hour. So we got 570 on this one. And again, you see how powerful that cloud indicator keeps you in. You would have had a nice profit if you rode this all the way up. $1,000 easily on 2 contracts. And then right here is our gold trade. Basically, it was weak. Market and NQ going up, and this went down. 1 contract, $500 goal. Made a couple trades and caught the down move here for $493. So that put us up over $1,800 for the day. You want to count that ES trade, that'll be $2K. So pretty good day of trading. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Hit that like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.